Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to finding the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bedroom furniture and exploring the top-notch Oudiec Twin Size Daybed with drawers. If you're in search of the best bed with drawers, look no further because we've got you covered. The Oudiec Twin Size Daybed with drawers is not your average bed. It's a solid pinewood storage platform bed that brings functionality and style together seamlessly. Let's delve into what makes this bed stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about storage. This bed comes with two spacious drawers, providing ample storage space for all your odds and ends. Whether it's extra bedding, clothes, or miscellaneous items, these drawers have got you covered, helping you keep your space organized and clutter-free. And here's the best part: these drawers are conveniently located right under the bed, maximizing space efficiency in your room. Plus, with wheels on the drawers, accessing your stored items is a breeze. But what truly sets this bed apart is its adaptability. It's not just limited to the bedroom. You can place it anywhere in your home. The classic twin-size dimensions make it a perfect addition to bedrooms, living rooms, guest rooms, or even tight spaces where every inch counts. Whether you're a parent looking for a practical yet stylish bed for your child's room, or an adult seeking a functional piece for your living space, the Oudiec Twin Size Daybed fits the bill perfectly. Now, let's talk about quality. Crafted from high-quality solid pine wood, this bed is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures stability and durability, providing you with a comfortable and supportive sleeping experience for years to come. And when it comes to safety, rest assured that this bed has got you covered. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds and a firmly secured structure, you can sleep soundly knowing that you're in good hands. But functionality aside, let's not forget about style. The Oudiec Daybed boasts a contemporary minimalist design that effortlessly blends into any interior decor. Available in a range of classic colors, you can choose the one that best suits your personal style and preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek gray or a timeless white, there's a color option for everyone. And here's the cherry on top: assembly is a breeze. With all parts, tools, and instructions included, you can have your new bed set up in no time. Plus, if you ever have any questions or concerns, the Oudiec team is just a message away. So there you have it, folks, the Oudiec Twin Size Daybed with drawers. The ultimate solution for anyone in need of a stylish, functional, and versatile bed with ample storage space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience with this top-notch bed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!